Buffycats, did you know that tomorrow is Hobby Day? We should organize another amazing event.
Do you have some ideas, Charlie the Cat?
Yes, Pilou! But I need something to drink before I tell you what I have in mind. I've been talking all day and my throat is dry. Thanks, Meatball. My idea for tomorrow's event is... Oh.
Charlie the Cat?
Meatball, what did you give Charlie the Cat to drink?
Nothing. Only a super duper crazy triple carbonated orange soda.
Meatball!
Just for you, today, directly from their world tour, the Boom Boom Steppers!
That host cat is just what we need.
Anyone in the audience want to dance? Here's a volunteer. Thank you all, ladies and gentle cats. The show is over, but keep it in your heart always.
Yeah, he's really the cat we need. Let's ask him if he'd like to host the cat show.
Of course. My name is Charlie the Cat, and I was born to be your host cat. What? No more words? Then let me hear some noise instead. Ready for a tongue twister? Me, 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 me.
Okay, Charlie the Cat. All right.
Cat catchers can't catch caught cats because a cat catcher caught catching caught cats couldn't catch.
We think you're perfect, Charlie the Cat.
Awesome. Where will your show take place?
Right there, on that stage. Charlie the Cat, how about trying to host on stage?
Ooh.
Charlie the Cat? You don't like our stage, Charlie the Cat.
This stage is super duper possum, Pilou. And the show will be super
Watch out, Charlie the Cat!
I'm sorry, Buffycats. I can't host the show.
But why? It's just a case of the hiccups. We saw you, and you're really great.
The problem is, whenever I'm on stage, I get scared stiff. And the hiccups. And it's never gonna stop.
Let's get him, Buffycats!
Oh, no.
Oh, my whiskers! With his hiccups, Charlie the Cat is gonna make a big mess inside Granny Pina's house.
What's that sound? Is it coming from the faucet? Really annoying.
I'm sorry.
I'll handle this. I'll fix it in no time.
I can't stop.
Charlie the Cat! There's a way to stop your hiccups. Hold your breath, then follow us. That's it. I also have to be a plumber in this house.
Thanks, Buffycats. By holding my breath, my hiccups stopped. Oh, no.
Hold your breath as long as you can. It didn't work! We have to find another way to stop his hiccups.
Ah! Charlie the Cat, try drinking something.
Meatball, what did you make him drink?
The super duper crazy triple carbonated orange soda, Lampo. Why?
Oh, no, no, no.
That's why! Oh, my whiskers! Charlie the Cat has turned into a bouncing ball! Charlie the Cat is bouncing away! He's too quick! We can't stop him!
We just need the right snack.
Granny Pina's noodles!
The secret's in the noodles of Granny Pina. A plate of superpower, a special and reliever. You eat them hot with me, Ragu.
quick way! Hey!
Let's bounce on the balloon to reach him! Charlie the cat is over there!
Uh-oh. Gotta bounce! Sorry.
Who rang?
Let's copy Charlie the cat, Buffycats! But make sure not to ring the doorbell!
Who rang again?
Meatball!
I didn't do it on purpose, m'lady.
Charlie the cat! You need to deflate! Get the air out of your stomach!
But how do I do that?
Just try to sneeze it out! Like this! Oh no! Where did Charlie the cat go now? We'll find out, Pilou. Oh, my whiskers are telling us. He's inside the abandoned house.
Me.
Charlie the cat!
Check. Meow, meow. Hi. Woof, bark. 1, 2, 1, 2. My hiccups are gone. Now I'll just get down from this lamp and land on this kind of stage. Oh, no.
I've got a Buffy brainstorm to stop his hiccups. We'll scare him. Look where we are. Whisper, the ghost cat lives here. Let's give him a shout. Whisper! Why are you shouting, Buffycats? Charlie the cat, behind you, there's a ghost cat. It's too windy.
An invisible ghost cat. That was pretty funny. Thank you, my possum Buffycats. Laughing stopped my hiccups, and I can finally get up on a stage. I am really scared when I'm on stage.
Of course. We tried to solve the wrong Buffy problem. It's not Charlie the cat's hiccups causing this. It's his stage fright.
So we can't put him on stage?
I've got a better Buffy brainstorm. It happens to us before every concert, too. Isn't that right, Buffycats?
Yes, m'lady. Before we play on stage, we're always a bit scared.
Huh?
So how does it go away?
We have a secret. We play with magical instruments.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Possum. But I don't have a magic instrument.
You don't have to play. You have to host the show. So to do that... Charlie the cat! On behalf of the whole band, I present the Buffycats microphone. It's magical. To make it work, you have to believe in yourself. And your stage fright will disappear.
You're right. It's already gone. I'm ready. With your magic microphone, I can do it. Welcome to the Extra Super Duper Amazing Cat Show. Are you ready? This microphone is not magic. Neither are your instruments.
Yes, you're right. It was a little white lie, Charlie, but for a good cause.
Are you angry with us now?
Not at all. I want to thank you, my possum Buffycats. The Buffycats made me realize that the real magic is believing in yourself. That's the only way to beat your fears.
And your hiccups! Charlie Cat! Charlie Cat!
Remember, not even hiccups can stop your talent from shining. And now, I'm going to sing a song dedicated to Auntie Lizzie.
Ooh!
Just kidding. The Buffycats are here to sing along a spectacular sing-along song. Tomorrow is Sports Day. We need to organize an amazing event.
What are you thinking, Charlie the Cat?
A race, milady. And you Buffycats will help me organize it. Are you ready?
That's a awesome idea! What will we call the race?
I haven't decided yet.
Let me think up the perfect name. Let's see. Cat race. No. Buffy run? Nope.
We'll also need a song for the awards ceremony. I'll write it.
Very good, Lampo. What about you, Meatball? What are you thinking?
I'll take care of drinks for the athletes. Orange soda for everyone.
And I'll write directions for the race course.
Great. What I have in mind is a race surrounded by nature. A place full of paths, rivers, ups and downs like... Cat Mountain! The perfect spot for our brand new athletic competition that we will call...
The Furry Marathon!
Welcome to all our athletes. I can see that you're already on the starting line. Introduce yourselves.
I'm Ginny!
I'm Katali, the Can Katali.
I am Mara.
And I'm Choo-Choo the donkey. Wah-hee! Wah-hee!
Don't donkeys usually go hee-haw, hee-haw?
You athletes will have to follow the route around Cat Mountain and then reach the finish line, which is located at the farm, where waiting to award the winner is Mimi, the pediatrician cat. Meatball has brought drinks for all you athletes to enjoy.
Orange soda for everyone. Drink some whenever you need it.
I'm thirsty now.
Each athlete will be joined by one of the Buffycats who will lead them through each stage of the race. Racers will be disqualified if they accept any help from the Buffycats. They can only guide the racers through the directions.
Drawn by me!
The nimble Lampo will show Ketali the way. Ginny will be led by the tenacious Milady. Mara will be followed by the amazing Meatball. And last but not least, Pilu will support Choo-Choo the donkey. Buffycats, you can now turn over the first card. Athletes, you must run the exact number of paces written on your card. Did you memorize the number? On your marks. Get set. Go! The furry marathon begins!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This first stage is challenging. The athletes must remember the number of paces as they count them off on the run.
Choo-choo!
Here comes Choo-Choo the donkey. He runs like a train and seems very confident. Welcome, my furry fellows and tough cookies. Or better yet, tough mice. It's yours truly, Charlie the cat talking.
Hurry up! The race is about to start. Dad, what did you say to Speedy Cheese? Did you give him one of your tips to win the race?
Yeah, sure. But for now, let's just enjoy the race.
We are live from the Catadrome to witness the race of races. The challenge between Boss, the champion with the busy whiskers.
I love it when they introduce me.
And the biker mouse Speedy Cheese. Yes, that's really what he's called.
So you really exist, Speedy Cheese. You look too big to be a mouse.
And you look too much like a braggart to be a cat.
I'm gonna win anyway, that's for sure.
Ready, set, go! With one cat-like burst, Boss takes the lead.
May the best racer win, boss, and that won't be you.
You're wrong. I am the best. And more importantly...
Oh no, a flat tire!
I'm the
the sneakiest.
What a twist! Speedy Cheese needs a tire change.
Tire change. Make it fast.
That'll give Boss a big advantage.
You can say that again.
That'll give Boss a big advantage.
Blister, Scab, now it's your turn.
This hook will hold him.
Ready to go, Lampo. Lampo?
What a super twist! Speedy Cheese is not a rat, he's a cat! Lampo, what do you have to say?
Well, I want to apologize to everyone, especially you, little mice. You see, Speedy Cheese isn't real.
Then if Speedy Cheese isn't real, who's gonna win the race?
Me, of course.
Hey! Look at that!
A super, super duper twist! Everyone look! Someone new is on the track, but nobody knows who it is.
At least I don't know.
We know who it is. Tap Tap, our daddy!
I owe it to my little mice.
A great recovery for Tap Tap. He's small but super fast.
Blister, Scab, stop him now.
Mousetraps. I gotta be brave. Like Speedy Cheese.
Ouch! Ouch! Ouch!
Watch out! Boss is flying off the track. Tap Tap crosses the finish line first. What a possum race, my furry fellows, or better yet, my mousy fellows.
Hooray! You're totally our champion. You won the motorbike race! But Dad, is it true that Speedy Cheese isn't real?
That's right. I was never very good at writing, so I invented the Speedy Cheese story to give you a role model for sport and life. But thanks to the Buffycats, I found the courage to tell you the truth and get on the track for you.
You're our champion, Dad.
Mousy friends and furry fellows, the winner is...
Tap Tap, our daddy.
Subscribe to the channel.